Hola mi gente and welcome back to the channel. This is Sean from We Are Investing. On this video, we are going to talk about SafeMoon, the cryptocurrency that was absolutely booming until it wasn't, because today the cryptocurrency crashed. We had more than a 50% drop in the price in just one day. Now, whenever you're trading something like this, the rule of thumb is to cut your losers and let your winners ride. The reason behind that, the main reason, is because when a stock or anything drops in value, it takes much more for you to get back to that original price. For instance, right now with SafeMoon, a 50% drop in the share price and the cryptocurrency price is going to require a 100% gain to get back to where you were. The more you lose, the more it's going to take to get back to those prior levels. And also, you're introducing a bunch of people that are holding the bag and are tempted to sell when you get close to those prior levels and break even. And that is a form of resistance. So it's much harder to get back to prior levels after a sell-off than it is to have a stock or a cryptocurrency that continues to go up and just let that ride. So that is why a lot of traders like to cut their losses and let their winners ride. But anyways, on this video, we are going to go over the reasons why I believe SafeMoon dropped 50% on the day. Now, before we get into those reasons, please consider hitting that subscribe button, ringing that bell, and smashing that like button. And if you like the channel and the content that I am providing and want to join the community, there is a Patreon with close to 500 people where you get access to the Discord server where we talk stocks and cryptos on the daily. Now, in our prior video that we posted last night, we talked about SafeMoon and the possibility, the likelihood that this thing was going to drop in value. It's very unrealistic to think that something is just going to continue to go up at these levels. But a 50% drop is a massive drop. Don't get me wrong. I did expect some kind of pullback. 50% is a lot. But cryptocurrencies are a whole different ballgame. The volatility with these things are massive, and maybe it's okay, but it is a significant drop. Now, the reason why SafeMoon is dropping, or why some people are saying that this cryptocurrency is dropping, is because there are beliefs that it's a scam. And there have been some people saying some things on Twitter. Some YouTubers that I follow have posted videos on this. I'm not the most knowledgeable guy when it comes to cryptocurrencies. We're going to dive into one particular tweet, but we're really going to dive into the market mechanics on why I believe this cryptocurrency is dropping, because this can be applied to the stock market as well. Now, the tweet that some other YouTubers were covering was from this person, War on Rugs, where they have a scam advisory for SafeMoon. They are saying that the owner owns more than 50% of the liquidity and refuses to fix it. He could pull LP and sell tokens, creating a rug pull, which would not be good for the holders of the cryptocurrency. And he also provided some proof that one wallet does own around 50% of the cryptocurrency. This would be considered a whale. And you guys know, if you've been dealing with the cryptocurrency market, that these whales can really impact the price of a cryptocurrency. It's one thing that I really dislike involving cryptocurrencies. It happens even with the best of the best with Bitcoin and Ethereum. Now, I'm not here to defend War on Rugs or to say whether SafeMoon is legit or not, if it's a scam or not. That is not my place, because honestly, I do not know. It is very confusing. It is an altcoin that just started, and I don't know cryptocurrencies like that. But I do know market mechanics, and I think it's very unrealistic to think that one tweet can have this thing sell off 50%. What is happening here is that I think sellers are selling SafeMoon because, one, it had such great returns. People are locking in profits. Also, it is extremely volatile, and that volatility scares people. And the most important thing of all, people don't know what they're getting into. So when shit hits the fan, they are the first to leave because they have no conviction. As long as it goes up, they're cool. But as soon as it starts to drop, they panic. They think they got into something wrong because they don't know what they got into. And with a product like SafeMoon that is new and confusing, I think a lot of buyers and holders don't really know what they're holding here. So as soon as shit hits the fan, they are the first to go. And that creates a trickle effect where you have more sellers, and things just get worse and worse for the price, and people start to sell. And that is what I think happened here with SafeMoon. Now, SafeMoon definitely had its momentum, and I believe now the market is starting to get saturated with altcoins because of what happened with Dogecoin and SafeMoon. Now people are trying to find the next altcoin that's going to do the same. And what you're doing is you're just spreading your buyers throughout. You're making the market extremely saturated, and it's much more difficult for one altcoin to post great returns because you have less buyers, less people driving the share price up because they are scattered across multiple altcoins. So even though SafeMoon did have its thing, it dropped 50%. And it's going to be much harder for it to get back to its prior levels because of the fact that it's going to take 100% gain to get back to its prior levels. You introduce bag holders into the cryptocurrency, and everybody is talking about 1 million altcoins, and that just saturates the market. So it's going to be a tough battle, but if it does do it, that shows tremendous strength in the cryptocurrency, in my personal opinion. But I'm not invested in it. I am not going to invest in it right now. I'm investing in Dogecoin. I'm invested in Bitcoin, and I'm invested in Ethereum. Those are the 3 cryptocurrencies I hold. But anyways, guys, that wraps it up for this video. If you like the video and the content that I am providing, please consider hitting that subscribe button, ringing that bell, and smashing that like button. And do not forget about the Patreon. A link is provided down below. I'll catch you guys on the flip side. It's been real. It's been fun. It's been real fun. And this is We Are Investing, and together we are invincible. See ya!